Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 9, and y equals -7. The second point has x equals 7, and y equals -11.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 9 to x equals 7, the run is -2. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals -7 to y equals -11, the rise is -4.
Slope is rise divided by run, -4 over -2, which simplifies to 2. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 2, x1 is 9, and y1 is -7.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.